am Devanshu, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create customized background like this, how you can add your name like this or add your logo. So stay tuned. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can create custom background without much efforts. Let us start. So as you can see, I have logged into my Zoom account, and this is one ongoing Zoom meeting that I have just set it up for this video. So I'm going to tell you how you can change this background and how you can customize it. So let me quickly tell you, when you start one meeting or you join some meeting, there is this option to showcase your video. So what do you have to do? Click over this icon. Once you click over this icon, there is this option of choosing virtual background. So click over this option, and if I click over the none, here you can see this is a plain background, plain wall is there. So instead of having such kind of monotonous backgrounds, you should create some customized virtual background, and that might represent your profession. So what I'm going to do, here you can see a lot of pictures I have already uploaded. When you want to do it for the first time, so you have to basically click over this icon, and you can upload any picture over here. So this is a one way of uploading pictures. Further I'm going to tell you how you can customize the background. Let's say you want to have a name, etc. So I'm not going to upload any picture. Okay, so there you can see there are so many backgrounds. If I want to change, like this is another background that I am having. uh, you know this is the customized background that I have just shown you. So you can choose, you can pick your own pictures as well. Just like in this picture I'm having, this one was from my classroom, and in this you can see there are so many student participants out there. So it's up to you. I use this background at times while taking virtual meetings to make a connect with my audience. So without further ado, let us start Canva, and how you can customize it, that I'm going to tell you.
First thing first, you need to log into canva.com. Once you have logged in, you have to search for Zoom, or you can search for relevant terms such as Zoom virtual background.
So there you can see there are different suggestions out there. For instance, there is a Zoom virtual background Earth there. So let me click over Zoom virtual background. So you don't have to pick up the dimensions. So here, if you go through the suggestions, there are so many suggestions that are available out there, and there are a lot of videos as well. If you are willing to open some video, let me try to open this in a new tab, and I'll show it to you. So you can customize either video or picture. So there you can see there are a lot of background ideas, templates available here, and most of these templates you will find for free, of course. Alright, so there are so many backgrounds out there, and what I'm going to do now, let me click over the blank one. Just in case you want to use your own picture, you can do that. Alright, so there we are. So I have chosen the blank canvas over here. So this is our canvas. Just in case you want to choose background like funny, Earth Day, there are so many results available out there. You can pick one from there, or you want to upload your picture, go to upload section, you can upload your photo, or just go to the photo section, and there are so many pictures available out there. Let's say you want to keep it simple. I want to keep it like a backdrop. So you just search for it. Let's say if I want to keep it simple, so I'll choose this image. If you want to use free images, you have to just use this filter, and click over free. Only free images would be there. So let me replace, set it as a background. Okay, and now I can put whatever the text I want to add over here. So you can simply press T on your keyboard to use the text. So there I can put my name if you wish to put your name, and something interesting, something like if you're taking a class, put your class says name. If you are in an office meeting, you can put the agenda over here. And if I take you through the templates, so here is the one that I have shown you. So if I choose this template, so you can see it is a free template. Just click over the template, replace it current page. All right, so there you can see, you can put your name over there. You want to change the background, let's say you don't want to use this one, definitely you can do this. Let's say if I want to use the other photo, so I just go and delete it, and you can see it has been deleted. Just go to photos, choose whatever the photo you are interested into, uh, go and choose that photo. So let's say if I want to use this one, just drag it or click over it. Let's replace it as a background, and there you can see it has been replaced. Now this is a logo I want to change. Okay, I don't want to put a name nor this. So I can go to my upload section and find out the logo. So you can upload your own logo that you want to use in your background. So let me quickly find some logo. Okay, so let's say there is some random logo. Let me pick a random logo. So let's say there is a SiteGround. Okay, so let's say I'm having some meeting with SiteGround. So you can then customize it. And put it wherever you want to have it on your screen. It got displays, so let me quickly drag it here. So you can adjust like literally each and every element. Okay, so let me quickly adjust this. So you can drag and drop wherever you wish to. So let's say name is there, let me adjust the text. Okay, rest if you want to make it bigger, you can control that. Let me try to adjust it a little bit. So probably it must be looking much better now, right? So there is this logo now. If it is not visible, you can choose the other logo, or let's say I don't want to use the name, I just want to use this logo only. So what I can do, just go to crop, and now I can simply crop it. Done. So put it wherever you wish to, just drag it, and we are ready with one background. So this is pretty simple to customize a background here. Go ahead and click over download, and you can download it as JPG or PNG. So if you wish to change this format, just click over it and click over download, and you would be able to download it. And you next is you have to just go to virtual background in your Zoom section and quickly upload it. So I hope you found this video useful, and if I show you like there you can also put some video background. So if you are looking for the videos, there you can see there are a lot of videos available also. So you can choose the video background, and in a similar way you can customize that as well. So this is pretty interesting way to make your meeting. For instance, if you see it over here, there you can see you can put your date over here. You can even put the temperature, like you have to of course edit manually, and this is how you can make your meeting much more interactive.
That's all in this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.